Yeah, 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 yeah. One love, one love, one love.
The hoes love it.
Nah, no, one love, kid.
This is what we're working on right now.
One love, kid.
Freddy Krueger, gotta get these done. I really want to get them done today, so I can get that chicken. More bandana orders, more hat orders, all that kinds of stuff. All that jewelry that we just did this one, you know what I'm saying? You know, yeah. Focus on too. Man. Okay, y'all. A lot of customizers would not show you this. But y'all, I think I may have made a mistake. And now I'm about to pay for it. I don't know how this happened, but I guess I didn't prep this one little part good enough, and now my paint has come up on there after I took the tape off. I'm gonna let y'all see. Alright, y'all see that right there, man. You know, see, we got the stripes and everything. It's supposed to be coming up easy like that. I peeled it off and the paint came off with it, man. So I'm gonna have to tape off the green part, prep this little section, and then repaint it. Maybe I'll make a video, and I don't know, y'all. That might take too much time. But yeah, man, flaws and all, man, I'm gonna show y'all. You feel me? So I'm not perfect. Everything don't always go right, but all it is, man, you gotta find solutions and ways to get the job done, even through adversity. I don't know what's up with this shoe. It can't. That ain't me right there. This ain't me. I don't know what's up with this shoe and the leather on this shoe, but oh man. And it's just this one panel, man. Look at this, man. So like I said, man, it was only this panel right here that malfunctioned or whatever. So I just took some extra precautions. Right now, I acetoned the whole thing off. Then I acetoned it after it was, you know, the bare leather or whatever. Then I sanded it. Then I acetoned it again. I'm probably gonna put some adhesion promoter on there as well. I don't know, man. I don't know how that happened, but we just gotta press on, man. I just took the tape off of here and got this little spot right here. But I ain't too upset about that because I gotta do the little splatter thing anyway, so that'll fix that. Or I might just, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but it's not gonna be there for long. Still working on this one, man. Laying down this base coat of pink first, and then I'm gonna slap the red on there and stuff like that. I ended up putting the adhesion promoter on this side, man. I actually had mixed the adhesion promoter with my paint when I was airbrushing the whole shoe, but I don't know what happened, man. I don't know, but we gonna figure it out. You know, everything gonna turn out the way it's supposed to be, nice and durable.
Yeah. Tell me like
The hoes love it.
So I'm about to show y'all the little progress. I ain't gonna say little progress, but the progress we made on the Freddy Krueger's, both pairs, the ones and the dunks. I'm gonna show y'all that real quick. All right, so went on, laid that red down. Now I gotta go ahead and throw the tape on there so I can handle the stripes. But I pretty much got them, you know, looking the way they supposed to look. Then I went on and started working on the silver on this swoosh and stuff like that. So everything looking good so far on this pair. So next, same thing as the other one. I gotta go ahead and stripe these up and all that good stuff, man. But before I can do all of that, I have to handle my shipping for today. It's a good amount, but I basically got pretty much everything packed up. But I guess I'll show y'all a little something on, you know, how I pack my stuff up and stuff like that. So I'm finna set this camera on the tripod if I can find it, and we finna get to it. Just finna knocking out this little hat for order. I forgot. I don't even know if I showed y'all this one. I got some different colors. I'm not sure if I showed them. I guess I'll show them in this video. But yeah, I got some different colors that I'm doing now. And I actually got a Whatnot live in about an hour. I forgot I scheduled it for a morning Whatnot. But hey, we finna get to it.
901, 901, low key. Look at my life, gon' make it right, make sacrifice. I see the light, but I'ma fight. I make it hard, it caught this stilo. Ain't no love no more, thought I could part more, I got repo. Ooh, then again, I come back and I'm on it. Then again, they can't stop the opponent. Young nigga, I be ballin', ballin'. Young nigga, got him callin' and callin'. They like, ain't no way he got it, ain't no way he did it. They like, ain't no way he did it, but I still ain't complete the mission. Hard call, see me shiver, it's a freezer living in me. I got a calling, so tryna be poppin'. Make a way, I got no option. Every day, there's every day, keep on working. Now you wanna see me fall, keep on searching. Gotta listen to the calling, you know I'm going all in. Gotta listen to the calling, might as well face it. Look at my life, gon' make it right, make sacrifice. I see the light, but I'ma fight. I make it hard, it caught this stilo. Ain't no love no more, thought I could part more, I got repo. Ooh, then again, I come back and I'm on it. Then again, they can't stop the opponent. Young nigga, I be ballin', ballin'. Young nigga, got him callin' and callin'. Stick to it, like it glue, you know I gotta get to it. Life a hump, you can get ruined. See the way that I be handling it. See the way that I be handling it. And I know that I can never forget. I'm keeping the rest of it. Yeah, leave the excuses out the room. You see they following you. You know they think it's all cool, cause they look up to you. Running that money all through, cause I gotta get proof. Ooh, take them to school. Look at my life, gon' make it right, make sacrifice. I see the light, but I'ma fight. I make it hard, it caught this stilo. Ain't no love no more, thought I could part more, I got repo. Ooh, then again, I come back and I'm on it. Then again, they can't stop the opponent. Young nigga, I be ballin', ballin'. Young nigga, got him callin' and callin'.
Alright, so right now I just got done my Whatnot live. We did alright, we made some money, you know what I mean? So it's dog in the mud. But right now I'm finna get actually gotta get my other camera battery, and then we're about to head to the post office to drop off these packages. Oh yeah, and I'm finna show y'all the fit too, you know what I'm saying? It's light today. Okay, I'm finna show y'all the fit real quick. That's what I don't even know what they are. So, this hoodie I actually got from my boy Donovan. This is his brand, chain breakers and everything, you know, so I had to support my dog, you feel me? And handcrafted ones, regular black jeans, stuff like that. Cadet on the hat, you feel me? You gotta wear what you make, you feel what I'm saying? Now let's go get this money. These are packages. All this stuff, man. Gotta get all this out. Alright, hold on, Sal, hold on. Okay, alright, we just dropped off the packages at USPS. I actually forgot I have a UPS. I got a UPS delivery. I mean drop off. So we gotta do that. But I'm debating on if I wanna do if I wanna go and get these shoes now, go get the hats and drop that off. I slick need to go get a car wash too. We're looking a little dirty, you know. Yeah, but I don't know, man. We finna see.
Get mine. You know them tables turn that bitch turn about 5 times. A damn lot of grass ain't green on the other side. Stay awake when you
Going through the car wash, y'all. I told y'all I had to get the wheel straight. You know, yeah. Hey, this joint lit though. For real. You got a new little car wash in Memphis where, you know, a little close to where I live. Not super close, but a little close. I'm trying this joint out though. Why them all lit? Why? Damn. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I know I'm a big kid right now. I know. I don't care, man. I don't even care. I love the car wash, man. I like to wash my car. That's cool and everything, but going to the car wash is way better. You know, Gabe.
I mean, it just tastes like Cocoa Puff.
Nah.
You don't taste like it tastes like Cocoa Puff to you?
Off-brand Cocoa Puff.
I can see why you say that. Does it have like a little flat?
Yeah.
Hey, has Jake played any more games lately?
Yeah, he played Saturday.
I got them coming to me, coming to 3 sticks and chill like the band. And who the direct is me? They got 5-10 racing, speed racer, Running, I can't stop. I go get money. Them niggas over there funny, huh? We making moves to that money. I can't stop, but I can't slow, honey. I can't stop, I gotta go move.